Today I'm going to show you how to add music and sound effects in VEED. So you've got your video clip uploaded. On the left hand side we can go to audio, and here you can see the upload button. Now the upload button will allow you to upload audio from your device. So this can be music, sound effects that you've maybe downloaded and is stored on your device, on your computer, or if you're using a mobile device, on your mobile device. Now you can click on this. So let's go ahead. So I've just uploaded a song over here that I'd like to add to my video. You'll see over there it has started uploading. Over here you can see your asset library. If you click on the plus button, you'll upload as well, but essentially here it is. You're going to click on that plus button. It'll now add this asset to your project. You can see there is the name. Now let us say we want to select it. Once we've selected it, we can now change the speed, the volume, we can fade it in and out, and there's some other AI music tools. Let's go back out of here. We're in audio. Now let's say we want to go down here. There's stock music. We can click on view all. We can search, we can filter out. You can see all the different types of music, and essentially all you need to do is click on it, click on the plus icon. It'll add that track right over here to your video. Over here you can also go down, you'll see stock music. If you continue down, you'll see sound effects. The very same thing's going to happen. Click on view all. You'll be able to see everything that's available, including wanting to search or filter out over here, and clicking on the plus button just to add it to your project.